Imagine a tunnel. Not just any tunnel, but one that connects two distant points in the vast expanse of space and time. This is the captivating concept of a wormhole, a theoretical shortcut that has fascinated scientists, science fiction writers, and conspiracy theorists alike. Wormholes, if they exist, could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. They hold the tantalizing possibility of faster-than-light travel, allowing us to journey to distant galaxies and perhaps even other dimensions. The idea of wormholes stems from the mind-bending realm of Einstein's general theory of relativity. This theory, published in 1915, revolutionized our understanding of gravity. It proposes that gravity is not a force acting over a distance, but rather a curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy. Imagine a bowling ball placed on a trampoline, causing the fabric to sag. This is analogous to how massive objects warp the fabric of space-time, creating what we experience as gravity. Wormholes take this concept a step further. They are essentially tunnels or shortcuts through this warped space-time, connecting two distant points. Picture folding the trampoline in half, bringing the bowling ball closer to a marble on the other side. This fold represents a wormhole, allowing the marble to travel to the bowling ball much faster than if it had to roll across the entire surface of the trampoline. While still purely theoretical, the concept of wormholes has captured the imaginations of many. The possibility of traversing vast cosmic distances in the blink of an eye is an intoxicating one, but are wormholes merely a product of our imaginations, or could they be a real, albeit elusive, feature of our universe? To understand wormholes, we need to delve deeper into the strange and wonderful world of Einstein's general relativity. This theory describes space-time as a four-dimensional fabric that can be bent, stretched, and even torn. Massive objects like stars and black holes warp this fabric, creating the phenomenon we experience as gravity. Wormholes, in essence, are extreme distortions of space-time. They are like tunnels with an entrance and an exit, potentially connecting distant regions of the universe or even different universes altogether. These tunnels are envisioned as having two mouths, connected by a throat or tube. Traveling through a wormhole would be like taking a shortcut through this tube, bypassing the vast distances of normal space. The mathematics of general relativity allows for the existence of wormholes. However, creating and maintaining a wormhole presents significant challenges. One major hurdle is the need for exotic matter, a hypothetical type of matter with negative mass and energy density. This exotic matter would be required to create the extreme space-time curvature necessary to hold a wormhole open and prevent it from collapsing. While we haven't directly observed exotic matter, its existence is theoretically possible within the framework of quantum mechanics. Some physicists believe that exotic matter could exist in the vacuum of space itself, although its density would be incredibly low. The discovery of exotic matter would be a major breakthrough in physics and could pave the way for the creation of artificial wormholes. Despite the theoretical possibility, many challenges remain in understanding and potentially harnessing wormholes. The immense energy requirements, the stability issues, and the very existence of exotic matter are just a few of the hurdles that need to be overcome. However, the potential rewards of wormhole travel, such as faster-than-light travel and exploration of other universes, make it a topic of continued scientific inquiry and speculation. While the concept of wormholes is captivating, the practical challenges of utilizing them for travel are monumental. One of the most significant hurdles is the sheer amount of energy required to create and maintain a stable wormhole. Current estimates suggest that the energy needed would be equivalent to the total energy output of a star over its entire lifetime, an almost unfathomable amount. Another challenge lies in the stability of wormholes themselves. Theoretical models suggest that wormholes are inherently unstable and prone to collapse. Even if we could muster the energy to create one, it might only exist for a fraction of a second, not nearly long enough for a spaceship to safely traverse. Adding to the complexity is the hypothetical nature of exotic matter. As mentioned earlier, this exotic matter is theorized to possess negative mass and energy density, properties that defy our current understanding of physics. While some physicists believe that exotic matter could exist in the quantum realm, we have yet to find concrete evidence of its existence, let alone figure out how to harness it. Even if we could overcome these obstacles, the journey through a wormhole itself presents its own set of unknowns. The gravitational forces at play would be immense, potentially ripping apart a spacecraft or its occupants. And then there's the question of navigation. Entering a wormhole could lead to an entirely different part of the universe, or even a different universe altogether, with no guarantee of a return trip. Despite these daunting challenges, the allure of wormhole travel persists. The possibility of unlocking the secrets of faster-than-light travel and exploring the farthest reaches of the cosmos is a powerful motivator for continued scientific exploration. Whether wormholes remain a theoretical curiosity or become a reality in the future remains to be seen. However, the quest to understand these cosmic shortcuts continues to push the boundaries of our scientific understanding and ignite our imaginations. Section 4. Whispers in the Shadows, the Rise of Wormhole Conspiracies. The enigmatic nature of wormholes, coupled with their potential for time travel and interstellar travel, has made them a breeding ground for conspiracy theories. These theories often weave together threads of real scientific concepts with speculation, hearsay, and alleged government cover-ups, creating a tapestry of intrigue that is as captivating as it is controversial. One recurring theme in these conspiracies is the idea that governments around the world, particularly the United States government, are secretly researching and experimenting with wormhole technology. These theories often claim that governments possess knowledge far beyond what is publicly known, including the ability to create and control wormholes. Fueling these conspiracies are alleged leaks from anonymous sources, often claiming to be former government employees or whistleblowers. These leaks often involve tales of top-secret projects, hidden underground facilities, and encounters with extraterrestrial beings. While the veracity of these claims is often difficult, if not impossible, to verify, they nevertheless add to the mystique surrounding wormholes and government involvement. The allure of these conspiracies lies in their ability to tap into our fascination with the unknown. They offer a glimpse into a world where the impossible might be possible, where governments hold the keys to technologies that could reshape our understanding of the universe. But as with all conspiracy theories, it's crucial to approach these claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. Separating fact from fiction requires critical thinking, careful analysis of available evidence, and a willingness to acknowledge the limits of our current knowledge. Section 5. The Philadelphia Experiment, a portal to the unknown. Perhaps the most well-known conspiracy theory involving wormholes is the legend of the Philadelphia Experiment. This alleged event, said to have taken place in 1943, claims that the U.S. Navy conducted a secret experiment on the USS Eldridge, a destroyer escort ship, in an attempt to render it invisible to radar. The story goes that the experiment involved using powerful electromagnetic fields to bend light and radio waves around the ship. However, something went terribly wrong. Instead of simply becoming invisible to radar, the Eldridge supposedly vanished entirely in a blinding flash of light, only to reappear moments later at a different location, the Norfolk Naval Shipyard in Virginia, hundreds of miles away. Accounts of the experiment vary widely, but some claim that the Eldridge not only teleported but also traveled through time. Some versions of the story even allege that crew members were fused to the ship's metal hull or suffered severe psychological trauma. The U.S. Navy has consistently denied that any such experiment ever took place, dismissing the Philadelphia experiment as a hoax. Despite the lack of official confirmation, the Philadelphia experiment has captured the public's imagination for decades. It has been the subject of numerous books, documentaries, and even a Hollywood movie. The story resonates with our fascination with the unknown and the allure of forbidden technology. While the Philadelphia experiment itself may be a work of fiction, it highlights the enduring human desire to explore the boundaries of reality and the tantalizing possibility that wormholes might hold the key to unlocking those secrets.